Hi guys, it's your girl Melanie. I'm back with another video. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. If this is not your first time, welcome back. And if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so you'll always know when I upload new videos. So today I'm going to do a video for all my lazy daisies and my no time having mamas who just need to get their makeup done in as few steps as possible. And also for those who are not, real comfortable or unsure about putting on makeup and just want to look like they try to do something. This video is for you. So the first thing I'm going to use is BB cream. Now BB cream is like a 5-step in one. You have your moisturizer, you have your concealer, your foundation, your primer, your SPF. All of that is in BB cream. So you can find, whatever BB cream suits you, suits your skin tone. I'm using today Black Radiance in the color Honey Amber. So this is going to be my first time using this. I think it's better now, but before when I was looking for BB cream, it was hard to find BB cream in the darker shades. So I went with this brand to get a darker shade. So let's try that. My face is already clean and I'm just going to use my fingers, so easy breezy. Put this, and I may have put too much, but woo. Let's rub that in. So what the BB cream will do, it will even out your skin tone and give you just sheer coverage. So if you have a lot of hyperpigmentation like I do, it's not going to cover that, but it will just even out your complexion and smooth it out. And if you don't have any hyperpigmentation, that's even better. It would just give you a smoother look without any heavy foundation. And I'm gonna try just a little bit more to see if it can give a little more. So yeah, smooth it out just a bit. And one step that one of my viewers had mentioned that, she's just a bronzer and eyeliner and go kind of person. I'm going to use this Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder as a bronzer. But you don't have to use this step. But mostly a bronzer is just to kind of give some definition to your face. Bring a little bit of warmth around your face. So you just want to put it almost like a contour here and just around the edge of your face, just to give it a little bit of definition. And okay, the next, eyebrows. Right now, eyebrows being done is very fashionable. And what I found out, and I think I'm late to the party on this stuff, is eyebrow powder. a friend of mine mentioned that she used eyebrow powder, and I'm like, oh, okay. So when I just finally asked, well, what do you mean eyebrow powder? And you know, she's like, it's a powder, you know, NYX, and I just put the powder and use a concealer and my eyebrows are done, and it looks more natural than say a pencil or a gel. And so when I was sitting there talking to her, and I just, you know, picked up some powder because I have a e.l.f. eyebrow palette that has a powder and a gel in it, and I never used the powder, or rather I thought the powder was like to set the gel, and that's how I used it, like to make it not look so shiny when you do your eyebrows, and never thinking that you could use the powder on its own. And so I pulled it out and I put it on my eyebrows, and I was like, oh my gosh, this stuff is magic. And it really is. And just quick, not to, you know, get your eyebrows all snatched, you know, because we're doing a quick get your face done and go kind of look. Just take, because like the NYX comes with 2 little brushes, a little spoolie to brush your eyebrows, and like a little brush. So while I wouldn't use this brush to do like really define eyebrows, is good enough just to fill in your eyebrows, just to have them done. So I'm using the color black in this, and I'm just gonna take the spoolie and brush my eyebrows. And then the powder, just to fill them in. And the spoolie again, just to blend it. Okay, eyebrows done. Next, just to put a little color on your eyelids, get a eyeshadow brush and probably choose like a natural tone, or really you can choose any color you want. You know, makeup is all about your expression, so you can choose any color you want. But you know, a natural tone like the pinks and berries and browns and siennas. I'm going to use the new Anastasia Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to use this, the Dusty Rose color, and just take it and swipe it over your eyelid. Just one color. And then you can take like the darker brown or a black, depending on the darkness that you want, you know, in your skin tone, and just brush it onto your lower lash line. So instead of using a eyeliner, which can be a little harsh sometimes, brush on some eyeshadow, and using the same brush, I'm just going to go in just a little bit of this black because I don't want it too dark, and smudge it in the lower lash line. I think I might have put too much on this one. Okay, eyes are done. Then mascara. Mascara opens up your eyes and make them look brighter. And so just whatever your favorite mascara is. Today I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I got a little mini from Sephora, and apply that to, hair getting in the way, eyelashes. And then lipstick. So any lipstick, any lip gloss that you want to apply, that's what you go with. So, you know, whatever your heart's desire. I'm going with the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in Uncensored. It's the red that Rihanna is like a universal red, so everybody can wear red. This is designed to, you know, be complementary to all skin tones. So because I'm extra, I'm gonna put on some red lips. And that's it. Your face is done. This is a 5-minute or less face, and you look pulled together. And that's it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is easy enough for you in the comments below. And as always, if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications. Like the video if you like it. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and until next time.